The United States Constitution guarantees that criminal defendants receive a fair trial. In Darden v. Wainwright, the Supreme Court considered whether a series of improper comments made during the prosecution's closing arguments rendered the trial fundamentally unfair. In September of 1973, at about 5:30 p.m., a black adult male entered a furniture store owned by a married couple named Mr. and Mrs. Turman. Mrs. Turman was alone in the store at the time. The man told her that he wanted to purchase about $600 worth of furniture. After looking at several items, the man left the store, stating that his wife would be back later to take a look. The same man returned a few minutes later. He robbed the store, shot and killed Mr. Turman upon his return to the store, tried to sexually assault Mrs. Turman, and shot the 16-year-old neighbor who rushed to the Turman's aid. Willie Jasper Darden was arrested the next day and charged with murder, robbery, and assault with intent to kill. At trial, the defense presented its closing arguments first. The prosecution then presented its closing arguments. The prosecutor made several improper and inflammatory remarks related to his personal belief in Darden's guilt and his personal feelings toward him. The defense was then allowed to rebut. Ultimately, the jury found Darden guilty on all 3 counts and recommended the death penalty. The trial judge accepted the jury's recommendation. Darden appealed to the Florida Supreme Court, which affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert but later dismissed the writ. Darden then sought habeas corpus relief in federal district court, where his petition was denied. Darden appealed to the 11th Circuit, which affirmed. Afterward, Darden applied to the United States Supreme Court for a stay of execution. The court treated this as a petition for review, granted cert, and stayed Darden's execution.